Place on the Republic Day violence. What we are getting to know so far is the Delhi police has written to Zoom following the stunning revelations in the global conspiracy against India. What more do we know on that? That several Zoom meetings that had also been planned by those who are said to be and have been named already by the Delhi police. What has been also said on this toolkit conspiracy, social media networks like Piyush, who is joining us live, will give us an updates like WhatsApp that was used, Telegram that was used, Zoom that has also been used. So we are looking at how the Delhi police is also going to be investigating into the social media links there, Piyush, as to how this toolkit was shared from one person to the other, was edited and thereafter shared with Greta Thunberg, who had publicized it and had put it on her Twitter account, and thereafter this conspiracy has been busted.
Well, absolutely, Amita. This is what we are learning from our top sources in Delhi police, where they have confirmed to us that yes, Delhi police has now returned to Zoom to get the details of that particular meeting. Remember, there is only one meeting about which we are talking, which took place on January 11 before executing 26th January violence, which took place in national capital. This meeting took place on January 11, in which the key conspirators, including Shantanu Mullik, had taken part. Nikita Jacobs had taken part in that particular meeting because they are the one who had created that particular toolkit. Delhi police is also trying to ascertain if Greta Thunberg had also taken part in that meeting, because there are some sort of indications which Delhi police has got that there are a good number of chances of Greta Thunberg also taking part in that particular Zoom meet, and after that every plan was decided, which was executed also on 26th of January. So Republic TV is right now breaking a very important detail that Delhi police has now returned to Zoom to seek the details as to who all participated, who were the main members. In fact, what is more important, which we are given to understand, is that Delhi police is also looking into the role of farmer union leaders. There are around 41 farmer union leaders who were also talking with the government. Now, Delhi police is looking into their role also, if they were also part of that particular Zoom meet, and that's why a letter has been written to Zoom to seek the details of that particular meeting which took place on January 11, after which we saw as to how this toolkit was prepared, was created, was edited, and then it was disseminated also on February 4th. Remember, role of these farmer union leaders is also being investigated, and the Delhi police has returned to Zoom to seek details as to who all participated in that particular Zoom meets, which is now certainly sending shivers among these people who were the part of that particular conspiracy, which was also executed on 26th of January.
Sources so it gets even bigger from here on, Piyush, if you are mentioning that Zoom has also been asked to share details as to the meetings that have been taking place, but also to mention that the farmer union leaders will also be investigated in this toolkit probe that has been carried out by the Delhi police, because this is based on the information from Disha's phone and the fact that Nikita absconded. The Delhi police has now been saying that Disha Ravi, Nikita Jacob and Shantanu Mullik, who had created the toolkit and had shared it with others for editing. For the moment, Piyush, thanks very much for joining in.